So today I have a problem with my car, and so I have a P0335 code on my car. It's a Honda Civic LX, and it turns out to be it's a crankshaft sensor, and we will be replacing the crankshaft sensor. So I have put my car in the jack, and the crankshaft sensor is right that one right there. It's that one right there. That's the P0335. This one right here is a heat shield. You can remove that, or you can just work your way around it. So if you take out this clip right here on this one, it makes it a lot easier to get to the sensor right there. Right there. It has a 10mm bolt on the top, and we're gonna take it out. So the easiest way to get to the crankshaft is from the top. I've loosened it. So I took out the 10mm. The sensor is right there. I'm about to take it out. The sensor is out. Oops. And then you just pull it out. It is out. Looks like this broke off. That's why there was a problem. I went to Advanced Auto Parts and got me the new part. Which looks pretty much the same. So this is my new crankshaft sensor right here. And we are gonna put it in. Put it in right there. So this is my new crankshaft sensor right here. And we are gonna put it in. Put it in right there. Make sure it's not too tight, because it's a plastic. It can break off. So it is in. There. I'm going to tighten it up and let's see if the car will work. So I just finished putting it back, and let's see if it's good. And let's see. Check engine is gone.